Hey everyone, Duke Nuga 3D here with another video for you guys, and today I have a double unboxing. I have two masks that I've received off of friends and other collectors, and I'm just going to be opening them up and I'll do full reviews on them later, so let's get right on into it. This first one is actually not a US mask. This is a Chinese mask. I'd ordered off a good friend on the r/sub. Well, actually, I didn't order it from the r/gas masks official Discord subreddit bullshit. I ordered it through the GMCC auction house, but I later came to know the guy through the r/gas mask subreddit. So it's a Chinese mask is what I'm saying here. So let's get right on into it and see what I got. This thing is jam-packed very tightly, so I'm going to be extra careful not to cut where I don't need to. I need to replace this blade. Alright. Opening up the box. I can take this big wad of bubble wrap out. What have we got here? Where is the tape? Let's see. Here's one piece of tape. And there's another piece of tape. Excellent. Oh man. Hold on a second, folks. In here, we have this very nice early Chinese carrier. This is not the Velcro ones that you'll see all over eBay. This is like the 1960s and 70s era carriers with the Bakelite studs and leather grommets. So flipping that open, we can see the very durable carry strap here. We have a canister, which unfortunately is not the original military canister, but it is a modern, I believe he said it was for organic vapors, and it's dated 2018, so this is still good. And then I have this Type 64B mask. I've never actually handled one of these. Wow, this is, I'll have to unbox this, take all the wrapping off of it later. This is interesting. You got the spare voice membrane, and see what else we got in here. Get all the little goodies out. There should be one out. Here we go, the anti-fog inserts. So yeah, that's all there. There, thank you for this. Holy shit. You got the nice grommets at the bottom of the carrier there for the filter inlet. And then I'll remove the paper from the inlet and outlet assemblies here so you could get a good look at what the mask is like. I'll try to save these this paper and stuff. A little bit dirty, but I'm sure it'll wash up nicely. Wow, I've never actually handled one of these. This is interesting. You got one of the eyepieces. Get the other one off there. And there we have it. There is a Chinese Type 64B. And this is a very interesting... Oh, this is weird. I never handled one of these harnesses before. It's weird. Why does it adjust from both the top and the back? It's neat. See, I'll definitely do a review on this when I get it all cleaned off and looking nice. So, get this off to the side. Get all this paper and rubber bands. And the canister, of course. I'll get like a actual military canister for this sometime later. Got the nice hose. Alrighty, let's see what's up next. This one I had received from Older Masks Are Better, or this collector, I keep reading, which is his current channel now, but this is actually something to complete his restoration of the M2 10.6 lightweight optical mask that I made a review on in the past, and I'll be making a review on that one shortly. Again, once it's all finished being restored, so let us see what we got. Oh boy, packing peanuts, of course. Inside, gotta be careful not to make a big fucking mess. We have a nice MC. Oh, this is a giant. I'm saving the Ziploc bag. This is a big, nice Ziploc bag. Get it all out. We have this nice M6 carrier, and as you can see, it is marked for an Army lightweight optical mask, which means inside is a brand new, unissued M2 10A16 lightweight optical mask. I already have one, but this one is brand new and unissued, and the one I have previously is actually restored, so I'm going to be taking that one back apart again, and I will be having this one intact as the main piece of my collection, whereas the older one that I actually bought off of Wasp Freak a long time ago, some of you may recognize this channel, that one will be in pieces, and I'll just have the face piece alone, so I can use the hose off of it to restore, or finish restoring this collector's or older masks or bests, fucking M2 10 and 6. And yeah, I'll make a video on that soon. We get the filter out of the carrier here so I can get the rest of the accessories out. So, got the canister. That's all intact. Got the C3 waterproofing kit, which, oh, the plug is nice and flexible. I've never actually handled one of these plugs that are this flexible. That's all knotted up. I'll have to straighten that out in a bit. And then inside we also have, we have the anti-dimming cloth. And get that out. It's the 1950s ones. Oh, it's already unscrewed. So there we have it. That's both items that I've got today. I was expecting a third item, but unfortunately, I guess the postman forgot to leave it in the mailbox. It said it was delivered, but hopefully I'll be getting it tomorrow, I guess. So that's really all there is to see. That's basically the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any comments, questions, corrections, or concerns, drop them in the comments below, and expect reviews on these masks soon. See you later.